Hello students, now today we are going to execute our 8-bit division program which is by repeated subtraction method. Okay, see, yesterday we have seen that we have written the program for 8-bit number division. In that what we have seen, we have taken HL pair. First we have taken C register with 0 0, so that how many times we are subtracting, that many times the C register will become 1, means it will be incremented by 1. So by that we will be getting our quotient, because what I said you, division instruction is not there in microprocessor. For that purpose we have to use the repeated subtraction technique. For repeated subtraction technique, again C register should be like C register should be initialized with 0 0, because we are keeping C register separately as 0 0, so that if it is 0, what will happen here? What will happen? We can come to know that how many times we are subtracting the number. Okay, numbers, two numbers we will be having, that two numbers we will be subtracting. So how many times we will be subtracting, we will come to know by that. Okay, now C register we have initialized. Then what we have done, we have loaded HL pair with 8850. So HL pair is loaded with 8850, means it will be having 8850 and 8851, both the numbers like that. Then what we have done, after loading, 8850 will be pointed by L, 8851 will be pointed by H. Okay, then what we have done, after pointing, we went for the first number which is on 8850 will be moved to A, because subtraction means what we have seen, both the accumulator and one more register should be compulsory. Without accumulator you cannot subtract the data, remember this. Okay, without accumulator. So we will be keeping the data in 88501 and in 88511, two data will be there. Then one data we will move to accumulator, and next data what we will do, we will increment it and increment the HL pair. It will point to 8851, and we will pass that data to B register. Okay, then after keeping both the datas, one is in A, one is in B, because obviously without A register you cannot go for subtraction, you cannot go for addition, because without accumulator arithmetic and logical instructions are impossible. Okay, then B, the data which is in B, that is on 8851, data which is in B, which is transferred to B, will be subtracted from A. After subtraction, result will be stored in A. Okay, after that result is in A. Now how many times for example I am taking 8 and 3, 8 minus 3, 5. So how many times I have subtracted here? Only one time. So who will be incremented here? One time, C will become 1. Okay, now C is 1. Now second time what I will do, subtraction result is like greater than 0, so C will be becoming 1. That means one data is subtracted. Now I am subtracting 5 minus 3 again. 5 minus 3 means what? Again 5 minus 3 means it will be, remainder will be what? 2. And what will be happening to the C register? C register will again be incremented by 1. It will be incremented by 1. Now C is becoming 2, and the remainder 3 minus 5 is nothing but 2. Remainder is 2. Quotient is nothing but is in C register, which will be also 2. So now answer is for us is how much? 2. See, again we cannot subtract, because when you are subtracting 3 minus 2, what will be the result? It will be like 1. Again 3 minus 2 means again answer will be like less than 0. Like 3 minus 2 means it will be like 2 minus 3, we are minusing. 2 minus 3 means what will happen? Again it will be like 0, means minus sign will come. So carry will come. That carry will be, if there is a carry, it will be added to the B data. Okay, In B nothing is there, because whatever data is there in B will be just subtracted with accumulator, and the result of this two subtraction will be stored in your accumulator itself. So final result will be in your accumulator, that will be transferred to one memory location, and final result will be in C register, that will be transferred to one memory location. The data which is in C register will be like 8853. Okay, it will be transferred to 8852. See, that is quotient, and the data which is in accumulator, it will be transferred to 8853, that will be like a reminder. So finally, already we have written the program in your previous class. Now today we are going to execute your 8-bit division program, and we will see whether we have written correctly or not, because after execution only we will get the confirmation that we have done the best. Okay, we should get the result, we should get the machinery result, like we have to execute the program on your microprocessor 8085 microprocessor kit. Then only we will come to know that our program, whatever program we have written of repeated subtraction method, because division instruction is not there, so we have written for repeated subtraction method is correct. If you will be right not executing the program, simply you will be writing, you cannot come to know the errors, you cannot come to know whether the program is working correctly or not. So by in our execution we can give different numbers. What is the main task of showing you the execution of the program means you will get the confirmation that program is working. Simply I cannot tell that this is the 8-bit division program. I have to give the proof for you that it is working as an 8-bit division program. How can I prove this, that this is an 8-bit division program, when I am showing you the execution? So simultaneously your practical work is also going on this in this video, and your unit 3 syllabus is also going on completing. So it is very easy for us to learn the program if you will see the videos continuously. But most of the students are not watching the videos. If you are not watching, this video link will be going at 11 o'clock. It will be till 11 o'clock in the evening. After that it will be going, means you will be not understanding the next program. So it is your mistake that you all are not watching the program correctly. Your friends, means most of whoever is watching, for them I am not telling, whoever is not watching, just pass them this message that they have to watch the videos compulsory. It will be available from morning 12 o'clock to evening 11 o'clock. Till that time they can watch at any time, and even attendance are also noting down. So as your college will reopen, or you may get your examination fees form, everything, means at that time anyhow you have to bear the fees, everything you have to pay the fine and everything, because you all should not think that colleges are not there. We are having only online classes and just skipping the videos, so it is very bad. We are doing so much work hard. I am executing the program I am showing. Even though you all are not in front of me, I cannot communicate you very neatly, but I am trying my level best so that I can communicate, I can give you my best. That's why I am showing you the execution also, so that even if you are not understanding the program, at least you will get the confirmation that you, at least by executing the program, while executing the program you will understand the concept, at least not whole program, at least concept you will understand. That is my intention for showing you by executing the program. So it is your bad luck that you all are not concentrating on the video classes. Just you want notes, and butifying is not a important concept, because whatever my paper is there, it is not so easy. It is like programming paper. If you are not concentrating on this programming paper, you will be not getting the concept of your next semester. Anyhow you have to come for college, and you have to read the paper 8, which is nothing but microcontroller, which is the continuation of microprocessor. So if you are not concentrating on microprocessor, it will be more difficult for you all to concentrate on your micro controller paper. So it is your bad luck that you all are not watching the programs, like watching the videos. Just you are just relaxing at home, just for opening and sitting, taking your mobile, your favorite device in mobile itself, you can see the video. Always you will be catching, you will be not catching notes, pen, nothing is needed here. Just your favorite device should be in your hand, that is nothing but mobile phone, and you have to open the mobile phone and you have to watch the videos, that too not for more than half an hour. It will be like 25 minutes or 27 minutes or 26 minutes, not more than half an hour. It is less than half an hour. So you cannot spend daily also no, 3 days at a week for class, for listening the class at least for 25 minutes, at least for 26 minutes, means it is waste of being in final year. So I am not telling to you all, whoever is watching this video, I am just telling my opinion to the persons who are not watching this video. Just show them this video, just tell them that madam has said like that, so that they should attend this classes, at least video classes, from next program onwards. Because even though if they will see this program in the middle, you cannot understand, because my program, one program will be maximumly, it is taking 2 days. One day will be like writing the program, second class you will be execution the program. So 2 videos you have to see continuously, then only you will get the concept of the program. If you are seeing only today's class, yesterday's class you didn't saw, means you will not understand that. But even though I am trying my level best that in this class also I should explain you the concept, then I should start the next thing. So I am doing my best. I want best from you all. Simply don't take notes from WhatsApp, don't read simply, just you spend only 25 minutes. Tell the persons who are not watching my class, tell them that, just tell them to just spend 25 minutes on this video, so that they can get the concept at least from next class onwards. At least tell them to watch the videos. All of you, whoever has watched my video, this video, just pass the message to your friends that madam is like little bit disappointed with your performances, because anyhow you have to come to college for next semester. On the 8th paper 8 will be in my hand. Obviously your electronics department will be whole in my hand only. You have to bear with both the papers. Next semester anyhow you will come to college. At that semester you cannot understand microcontroller paper, that is paper 8, and even your paper 7 will be also difficult in next semester, digital communication. Okay, if you are not watching the videos, you cannot understand the microprocessor concept here, then how can you understand the microcontroller concept? That will be more difficult for you all, because anyhow this semester you will be not coming to college. You have to read from your online classes only. Okay, and whatever I have sent the videos till now, if you are having any doubts or anything, you can come to live class. But nobody is attending live class, nobody is damn interested in live class also. Just not seeing videos, no live class, no doubts. What is my intention? You should see the video, I will send you the notes, refer the notes. Any doubt is there, put it on the paper, come to live class and ask the doubts, then you can leave. But no, very few of them are joining live classes, remaining are not joining. Daily, every week I should send you the link. Okay, anyhow, now today we are going to start the execution of your program of 8-bit division. In this execution you will verify whether it is working perfectly or not. So whatever I have said you about the classes and exams, just whoever has seen this video, please pass the message to your friends, so that they should start seeing the videos, seeing the notes, referring the notes, and they can ask in your this live class. Okay, so now we will be executing the program for 8-bit division. Okay, now we will execute the program of 8-bit division. For executing, as you know previously, reset, examine memory, then we have to enter the codes. Okay, codes means this mnemonics, both the mnemonics, this memory location and machine codes. These we have to enter. Okay, so now reset examine memory. Okay, 8000 is our starting address. Next, what is the code here? 0E 0E. Next 00. Next 21. Next means it is automatically incrementing. Okay, then 50. Next 88. Next 7F 7E 7E. Okay, these codes I am entering. Okay, 05 I have entered these many codes. 05 is 7E. Okay, then next I have to enter 06 onwards these codes. Okay, now we are entering the codes. So 6 it is 23. Next that is 46. Next it is 0C. Next 90. Okay, 90. Next D2. Okay, next 08. Next 80. Next again 80. Okay, okay, then next on D we have entered. Next 23. Next 71. Next again 23. Next 7E. Next 76. Okay, now after entering this, what is our duty now? After entering this, we have to execute the program. After giving the program, now we have to do reset. Okay, examine memory. On which address you are giving the data? Okay, we are giving the data on 8850 dividend, 8851 divisor, then 52 and 53 we will be seeing the answer. Okay, quotient and reminder. So examine reset examine memory 8850. Okay, give the data here, press next and give the data as 08. Okay, minus then 885103. Okay, then execute go. Okay, it will go to where we are sending 8000 starting address. You go execute it. Okay, then reset examine memory 885002 08 you gave, the next 03 we gave, execute go. Okay, execute go. Reset examine memory 8850 we are giving 08. Next 03 execute go. It will go to where 8000, execute. Okay, then reset examine memory. We will check the result on which location? You can see we can check the result on 8852 and 8853. 8852 and 8853 we will check the result. Okay, for checking the result again 8 examine memory 8852. Okay, next, then next execution we have to check once again 8th examine memory 8000. Okay, next we have to load the program. Wait, examine memory. So now we got the result as 03, that is 8853. We got 2. and previously this also 2. Previously we have given the data as 03 and 08. So now finally we have executed the program of your 8-bit division. Okay, in my next class I will be dealing with the next program, that is nothing but smallest number of 8-bit numbers, smallest and largest numbers. Okay, now today we have completed the execution of division of 8-bit numbers. Finally we got the result at 88532 and 88522. So that is nothing but division of 8-bit number.